Are you ready to solve? Oh, what's for dinner? Introducing the Dinner Hub, where we simplify the dinner process, making dinner doable. Each week, we send 3 chef-designed or food blog-loved meal plans to your app based on your preferences. You can always swap in our meal plan library, which features a wide variety of cuisines. You can even add your own recipes to the meal plan library. It's super easy. Then, with the push of a button, we create your shopping list for you. We cater to your dietary preference while also allowing you to select how much time you want to spend in the kitchen. Each meal plan is easy to cook and ends with amazing results. Choose the Dinnerhub PLUS version to get a personal shopper. You simply specify how you want us to shop for you, and we load all the ingredients directly into your preferred grocer's online shopping cart. Our auto-load feature offers additional convenience, as your personal shopper loads your grocer's online shopping cart on a specific day of the week automatically. Once we load your cart, simply delete any ingredients you already have on hand before completing the purchase. Now, we make cooking easy with 1 to 2 minute videos and illustrated step-by-step instructions. In as little as 20 minutes, dinner is done. Wow! We even reward you with points to redeem for things that you will love. And because we know that some days there is just no time for cooking, we also partner with restaurants in your zip code to deliver deals through our app that make eating out more affordable. Give the Dinner Hub a try today. The Dinner Hub, making dinner doable.